Congratulations to everyone involved in the DVK airdrop / mining / burn event, where those that sacrificed their Klever received a 20-to-1 ratio of DVK to KLV. So if you sacrificed 1,000 KLV, you received 20,000 DVK tokens. But what now? What about the price? Now we have to put ourselves in the retail mind and think, what would you do if you received a 20-to-1 ratio? You'll probably dump the token. That's your first thought. But the price didn't really dump. In fact, the floor was at 0.003 and the top was at 0.007. So I think there's going to be a lot of volatility between there. I don't think it's going to dump any further past 0.003. I think that's the bottom, the absolute bottom, and I'm going to tell you why. But first, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more altcoin gems like this. It's very simple. The max supply is 10 billion tokens, and that's over years and years, so we don't have to worry about the inflation. The initial supply is 3,600,000,000, which we don't have to worry about that also. And you'll see right now, 400 million to private sales, 1 billion to initial mining event, 400 million to product development, 400 million to the foundation, 200 million to marketing, 400 million to the core team vesting, so that's not going to be sold for years, 100 million to emergency funds, 100 million to the Klever community, and 600 million to Klever Labs. So the majority of the tokens goes to the team to do what they need to do to make this a successful project. So those are tokens that will not be dumped on investors' heads anytime soon. Let's just look at DVK Tron Scan. Now the total supply of DVK token is just about 3 billion. The number of holders, which is very interesting, is 16,373. So those are the people that participated in the burn event, that received the airdrop, and probably bought on the swaps and dexes. It's only been out for a couple of days, so couldn't be that many people. So let's be honest, not too many people know about the DVK token. They will in Q4 when the game comes out, but not a lot of people knows about it right now. In fact, I was the only English-speaking channel to speak about this token. So make sure you give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any more hidden gems. Now let's look at the token holders. The number one address, which is verified by TronScan as the source contract, the smart contract address, which is a quantity of 1 billion tokens, and the second address, which I assumed is either DVK or Klever Labs, which is just above 1 billion tokens. So it's probably vice versa. So number one and number two holding addresses is DVK and Klever Labs. Do you think they're gonna dump on the heads of investors right now? Not a chance. They want to make sure this thing grows because it's the first project coming out of the Klever Labs incubator, so they want to make sure it's successful. That's just common sense. They want to make a good example of the first project to make sure that people invest in future projects where they're not really investing. They're either burning the tokens or staking KLB and Klever Fi for the airdrops. And stake because it's too new and no charting is going to help you at all. Charting doesn't mean anything. All we can do is look at the price action and wait until there's hype and marketing for Q4, and then we'll really know what we need to do. We don't even know if this game is any good. So let's be honest, if it's garbage, then DVK can go to 0. If it's good, it can go to the moon. We just don't know. But as far as staking goes, players will be able to stake their DVK in the Klever wallet. And I'll leave a link in the description box and in the pinned comments below where you can buy DVK token using Klever in the Klever wallet app. So staking returns will be 16% APR initially within the first month. Afterwards, staking rewards will be 12% for the remaining of 2021, 10% in 2022, 8% in 2023. So all in all, that is some good yield, which explains why no one has dumped their tokens. I'm sure there has been people that has dumped their 20-to-1, but the majority has just been staking because the rewards is too good and the risk reward is just too awesome, because common sense would tell you that in Q4 that the token price will be a lot higher than the 18 million market cap that we have right now. That's all I got for now. I think the price point in Q4 is going to be a lot higher than it is right now, so I'm just accumulating. I hope you accumulate too. Link in the description box and pin comment below where you can buy DVK in the Klever app. And I'll see you in the next one.